Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline and I'm back again with another banger video. So in today's video I'm going to be working on this closure wig from Wiggins hair company. All the specs will be down in the description box, but it was a super full, really long 24-inch water wave wig that was already pre-dyed by them. First thing first, I went ahead and tinted my lace using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. That is my perfect foundation match for my skin tone. Go ahead and just buffing that in under and over the lace and using a blow dryer to make sure I dry all that up so we don't have any messy makeup residue on our forehead to make the install more difficult.
There's pen black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, perm braids got mini afros, thick lips got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't.
And for my adhesive of choice, I am using the Ebin lace spray. You know her, we love her. She is just my favorite lace spray to use. I feel like it's fast drying, I don't get any residue, and I feel like it lasts a lot longer than using Got To Be. And then I'm just going in with my blow dryer on a cool setting. I feel like cool setting works a lot better than using a warm setting because whenever you use it a little bit warm, it dries too fast and it gets too sticky and that just gets too messy. So cool setting lets it dry on a nice, slow and even pace. I'm using my rat tail comb as well to make sure I am pushing down all of that lace. Once I have my lace nice and dry, going in with these cuticle scissors and just making sure I'm cutting in a jagged, raw edge type of motion, not like a very straight across, because your forehead is not straight across. Well, I hope it's not, you know, you don't have an edge up, you know? So try to like cut a little bit jagged to make it lay more naturally on top of your head. Super easy on the installation process. Now for the baby hairs, which is the part that I'm really excited because I wanted to recreate these fluffy baby hairs that I've been seeing all over my Instagram and TikTok. What makes these baby hairs different is that you're curling the hair and you're also going to be using hairspray instead of what I normally use, which is Got To Be. So you're not gluing down or gelling down the baby hairs, you're more of just like laying them lightly with the hairspray. So I was following a TikTok tutorial for reference. I was trying to make sure I didn't cut the baby hairs too short, because if it's too short you're not going to have much to work with, because you are going to be using your curling iron to curl them in, which is going to make them shorter after the process. So I went ahead and cut like a bit under my brow, which is what the girl in the tutorial did for hers, and then I separate the hair into two sections per side, and I just curl one section nice and tight, make sure I get a nice little tight curl. This flat iron that I got from Amazon, and I did the same thing on the other side. So I then spray some hairspray onto my edge brush, and one mistake I made was I sprayed too much because you don't want it to be stuck, you don't want it to be sticky. It's more of a fluffy, light, barely on your forehead type of look, so definitely something to keep in mind. But I just go ahead and swoop the first baby hairs in the front and maneuver that, and then I go ahead and do the other side. I feel like I'm terrible explaining this, but just visually watch what I'm doing. I'm trying to just like get them to look like they're layered on top of each other, you know? This definitely is a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be, because I feel like by now you think I'll be okay and be able to slay all types of baby hairs, but no, it was a little hard, not gonna lie.
You have a pair of $800 sneakers. I mean, $500 sneakers. Come on. Buy us something now. No one knows about these. I don't want to talk about this. Why? Are you alright? That's how this was. I don't even talk about it. I shouldn't think
about it. There's pen black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, perm braids got mini afros, thick lips got hips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Want a fat beauty like Kardashians, no. Want a fat beauty like my eye, yo. Wheel up the blood clot, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown woman thinks I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I? I ain't big. Get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump. Gucci gang, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you? They don't care. Do you? They don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I brought Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket beat it Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. That's cool, I like it. The growth, the light, the pain, the fight. We love, we fight, we hurt, we cry. He paid the price, you'll be alright. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. And you said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, naturalize to the Jericho. On time, soft and sheen. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. But I broke a hairband or two. Raise my voice, she gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth, and now you say that I'm hood.
After fighting and playing around with these baby hairs, I finally decided to just give up and just, accept the style for what it is and try again to do a little bit better the next time. I kind of liked it after looking at it for a minute, but I went ahead and just laid down the hairline and everything because now it's time for me to go ahead and define the curls. I just have a water bottle with some conditioner in it, and I'm just going to spray that through the hair and just detangle all of this poofiness and get it nice and beautiful. So once I was done defining the hair, to help the style stay, because this hair does get very big because it is 200% density, I'm putting some mousse that has some hold to it so I can help keep the hair down without letting it get too frizzy. But overall, that was the final look. I was really feeling the hair. The more I looked at it, I was like, okay, it's different, it's cute, I like it, and I love this hair color, and I love the hair itself. It was really nice and really beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in another one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.